Okay, I refilled the oil reservoir, and I luckily I was just under the max amount. So, but I gotta be careful of that next time. So let's turn this on. I also washed the O-ring because I felt kind of grainy the last couple times I did it, and it's a good thing I did it. Washed it. Okay, now that's negative about 29.5, which is better than it's rated for. Okay, so let me plug, so let me turn this on, turns that on, and plug this in to complete the circuit. I wasn't paying attention to it. I hope it didn't flash. I hope the filament didn't flash. It shouldn't have. Okay, that I hope is not a problem. But it wasn't when I first turned it on, or when I first before I turned it on. So hopefully now it's not. It should have been just at the max. But we're pulling a near perfect vacuum. So, and I've got it wired right. I've got it all wired right. So let's hope it works. So come back in 4 days and 8 minutes, and we will see the results.